Hej allihopa! Hur mår ni? Du har kanske aldrig hört mig prata svenska, men jag kan lite. Jag har bott i Sverige 12 år. Herregud! That's a long time. Sweden has been an amazing place to live. And that's because all of you who I've worked with and connected with here, what a journey it's been. And now I'm actually moving. And it hasn't been an easy decision because I love Sweden and I love the people here. The pandemic has opened up a lot of new opportunities. I didn't know I could do business online and it would work, and it does. So my family and I are taking a family adventure, doing something I've always dreamed of, and we're moving to the sunny beaches of Mallorca in Spain. And I'm still gonna be available for workshops and coachings and things online. And don't worry, I'll be back. We're trying Mallorca for a year, see if we like it. I don't know if it's forever, but I will be in Sweden once things start opening up in the fall, and here and there. If you want to know when I'm in town, please, write in the comments or send me a message and I'll keep you updated. So I will be here. And if you're really adventurous, you can bring your team to Mallorca to come to me. And I'm really looking forward to doing workshops there in the sun and seeing how that can be part of my business. So I genuinely want to thank all of you Swedes who are so wonderful and have made this experience absolutely incredible for me. Thanks from the bottom of my heart. And we're going to keep this going. It's not over. It's hejdå for now, and hasta la vista, baby.